ADP's Accountant Connect has the ability to boost your advisory services. So not only do you gain access to relevant payroll information within the reports, the tax forms, and the data and the analytics, you also have the ability to see relevant information in real time that keeps you up to date from a compliance perspective. So as you look in the area of analysis tools and also advisory opportunities, you'll start to see things when there are activities happening within your clients that might spark an interaction between you and that specific clients. The nice thing is you can also span cross-client analytics, so you could get the full footprint or even break down clients by industry. Notice that you could spot trends, whether it has to do with a client is onboarding new employees or on the flip side, terminating employees. You could also see if a client hires employees in an additional jurisdiction. This could add complexity to the flow of how you do their accounting work to be able to streamline that service. If you find that you have clients that are hiring or terminating employees, one of the areas for the work that you can do in the advisory arena is around compensation. So if you slide over to ADP's compensation benchmarking, you gain access to over 30 million records from ADP DataCloud. This allows you to benchmark compensation by industry, by position, not just nationally, but with the drill down capabilities to look at a state level and at a local level so that you can jump in and offer guidance to your clients on the most important aspect of their business, which is usually their employees, how they keep them, and how they onboard them. Now, if you slide over one more time to industry insights, you could seek the similar information, but at a benefit level. So imagine looking and seeing the demographics of who works within that industry, the span of control from a benefit perspective, and the breakdown of how those employees within that industry are taking advantage of benefit offerings so that you can help your clients stay competitive as they select their benefits for their company. The best part is, if you'd like an at-a-glance for every single position within an industry and some of that benchmarking data by compensation and also by benefits, check out the top jobs aspect because all of that is clearly laid out for you to be able to use that in your consultative conversations with your clients. If we're still talking industries, you might want to continue over and look at the vertical IQ reports that give you the most relevant, up-to-date information with up to 25 pages of industry intelligence. So the top industries that are searched are available within Accountant Connect. And in the event that you have an industry outside of the available listing, if you engage your ADP associate, they'll be able to go out there and secure that additional profile for you. Last but not least, many accountants, as they're moving beyond traditional accounting, some are thinking about additional services to add to their overall portfolio of the clients they work with. Business valuations are rising to the top. And through Accountant Connect, we partner with BizEquity, and they have the ability for you to be able to do business valuation services directly through Accountant Connect with some of the best data in the market to serve up those business valuation for your clients. So it's not just when they go to sell their business or have a life-changing event, having a pulse as to what their business is worth crystallizes where they make some next steps in their decision making as they grow and continue to flourish in the market. So as a whole, these tools and resources have the ability to put you in the position to drive additional advisory services for your clients.